Hello everyone, welcome to Sujitra's online reading channel. Today I'm going to talk to you about memory and how to sharpen your memory. Happy listening. Most people have occasional lapses in memory, such as forgetting a new acquaintance's name or misplacing the car keys, etc. Most of the time, this is simply a sign that a person is a bit too busy or is preoccupied. On the other hand, having a consistently poor memory can be problematic as well. Memory is the faculty by which the brain encodes, stores, and retrieves information. It is a record of experience for guiding future action. Many factors play a role in memory loss, including genetics, age, and medical conditions that affect the brain. There are also some manageable risk factors for memory loss, such as diet and lifestyle. Humans process stimuli first with their sensory memory. That information is typically held in the brain for less than a second, which may explain why most people report that when shown an object quickly, they feel like they take in more details than they are able to recall later. Next, the information is transferred to short term memory or working memory, which allows someone to mull things over and hold key information in their mind. Finally, people store past events and patterns in their long term memory, also known as episodic or semantic memory. Memory is malleable, and many researchers believe that it can be improved, but it also tends to decline naturally as people age, and it can be corrupted by dementia as well as brain injury, trauma, or repeated stress. Even without impairment, human memory is notoriously untrustworthy. Different areas of the brain affect memory, including the hippocampus, the amygdala, and the prefrontal cortex. The hippocampus, located in the temporal lobe and part of the limbic system, is related to normal recognition and gives memories meaning and connects them to other memories. Now, let's think how to improve memory. Memory naturally declines with age, but some people are able to stay mentally sharp. How do they do it? Genetics play a role, but lifestyle choices like regular exercise, eating a healthy diet, getting plenty of sleep, not smoking, and watching blood pressure and cholesterol levels can have a huge impact. It's also crucial to keep the brain active and challenged with new activities such as learning a language, puzzles, hobbies, volunteering, and other activities. Here are some tips to improve your memory. Make a memory notebook, fill it with your to do list for the day, week, and month. Your notebook can become a portable filing cabinet for phone numbers, addresses, birthdays, medical information, phone messages, inspirational thoughts, and so on. Post reminder signs in your house, office, and car. Get in the habit of keeping items where you will need them. Minimize your distractions. Do one thing at a time. Bundle items from your to do list. Take care of your body to take care of your mind. Certain medications, poor nutrition, and even small deficiencies in sleep may interfere with memory. Exercise your mind regularly, reading, playing an instrument, and so on. Make time for meditation. The practice of meditation may positively affect your health in many ways. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness is a mental state in which you focus on your present situation, maintaining awareness of your surroundings and feelings. Most importantly, avoid drinking alcohol. Alcohol exhibits neurotoxic effects on the brain. Repeated episodes of drinking can damage the hippocampus, a part of the brain that plays a vital role in memory. Train your brain, exercise your brain. Exercising your cognitive skills by playing brain games is a fun and effective way to boost your memory. Crosswords, word recall games, Tetris, and even mobile apps dedicated to memory training are excellent ways to strengthen your memory. Anti inflammatory foods are great for your brain, especially berries and other foods that are high in antioxidants, and also fleshy fatty fish, which contains omega 3 fatty acids and DHA. To incorporate more anti inflammatory foods into your diet, you cannot go wrong by consuming a variety of fruits and vegetables. Add cocoa to your diet. Cocoa is high in antioxidants that may help improve memory performance. Make sure to choose dark chocolates with 70% cocoa or higher so you get a concentrated dose of antioxidants. Oh, what a delight! These are some simple tips that can be followed in our day-to-day lives to sharpen our memory. Hope you found it useful. Do like, share and subscribe my channel for more such updates. Thank you. Bye bye. This is Sujitra.